Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So we're going to dive into some things pretty soon. But before we begin, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and we're going to be right back. So welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Today's unit was sent to me by Sensational, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It is the Butta lace from their wet lace collection. It's the Butta unit 32 in the color CH27, and this is what the stock card is looking like, and this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. And then available colors in this style, here are the colors. So it has wider parting ear to ear lace. It also has a normal, it shows you the difference between a normal lace and the Butta lace. It's a virtually HD lace, undetectable, blends in with most skin tones, ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, natural density hairline. You guys, I have been reviewing a lot of Butta lace units on my channel, and I am loving this unit. I will say that I had to re-record this video because, you guys, when I record, I don't wear my glasses, I don't wear contacts. I have daily contacts and I don't typically like to waste them because I only film like 2 to 3 wigs, and then y'all, the makeup and the hair and everything's coming off, and I gotta clean up. Like, being an influencer is a lot of work. I have to set up my lighting, set up my camera, set up my phone, you know, record the reels, take the pictures when I'm done filming. Like, it's literally a whole process. So I didn't realize when I originally styled it the first time, you could see the lace, and I was like, this looks terrible. And I was like, I am so many years in this game, like, I can't be making mistakes. So what I did was that, if you guys can see, I brought out some of my natural hair along the edges. I darkened the lace with like a dark brown on my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. And then, y'all, this unit was giving me so much trouble. I did glue this part right here down just so it could melt. it was looking very, very wiggy. So I was like, okay, I said, this needs to look like effortless. So I did glue this part right here down. I went in with my foundation and a little brush and just went in along the middle, and then that was it, y'all. It wasn't bad at all, but I had to do it off camera. Like, I was in the bathroom, you know, making sure everything looked good. Like, it's hard to kind of see in my camera. Sometimes when I record, like, I don't notice that my like, let me see now. I don't notice that my picture quality is perfect. It's looking like it's picking up like when I move, so that's great. But y'all, it's a lot of work, okay? It's a lot. I mean, maybe I should just wear my contacts, but I actually have to order some more. But yes, so this unit does have 2 combs on the side. It comes in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hair friendly, so I will say that. The hair texture is really, really like nice and soft. It's not silky, but it's not yucky. So I guess the texture is, I guess the hair quality is 100% premium fiber. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I do like the coloring. I like the curl pattern. I do feel like this unit does need to be brushed out because the curls are just a little too defined. But you guys, this unit is a longer hair unit, so just keep that in mind. I think that this unit will eventually tangle. There are a lot of synthetic products out there that you can care for your wig, and I do have a link in the description box below. So yes, I think this unit is giving face frame. It's nice. It's giving body. I'm loving it. It does have a nice amount of thickness. Sometimes, like with the Butta units, or at least the earlier ones, they were struggling with the density, but it does have a nice amount of thickness to it. But yeah, y'all, I'm loving the face frame. I'm loving these highlights. Now these are cute, okay? And then yeah, that's it. This unit does range on a few different websites from $30 to $40, so I will have the link in the description box below. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. This was a quick, easy, fun video. Let me know your thoughts below. It's giving sexy. It is. Like, I feel luscious with this hair. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.